So a couple of years ago, when home workouts were becoming quite popular thanks to a certain pandemic, I uploaded this video here which ended up getting 20 million views and making me over $69,000. And just within the first year this video was uploaded, it made me about $23,000 to $24,000. And what did I do with that money? Well, I did what every other YouTuber does with their brand new YouTube money. I bought a flashy new car. Nah, I'm just messing with you. That's not really my style. I took that chunk of money, went on a 6-month trip around the world and had the time of my life. And all because I uploaded this one silly little video to YouTube, and I was able to do it over and over again, even while traveling. So in this not so silly video you're currently watching, I'm going to show you step by step how you can produce results just like this with a viral video of your own. And I'm going to be completely transparent and just show everything to you, because this video you're watching right now is the video I would have wished I had when I was first starting out as a complete beginner. And this is the stuff that no one else tells you. I'm not going to hold anything back. I'm just going to give everything away so you can run off and try this for yourself. So I'm going to break it down for you using a 3-step formula. How to come up with a viral idea for your video that will get millions of views, how to create a thumbnail that will force people to click, and finally how to actually create the video itself so that it's ready to upload to YouTube. And so by the end of this video you will know everything you need to know to make a video just like this one, get millions of views, make thousands of dollars, and take that money to buy yourself freedom just like I did. Real quick, for those that don't know who I am, my name is George and I've been making Faceless YouTube channel since 2017 for the sole purpose of achieving financial and time freedom so that I can live life on my own terms. And right now I'm helping others do the same. So for the first part of the 3-step formula, how to come up with a viral video idea. Now guys, make sure you get this part right, because if you don't, the rest of your video will be set up to fail. It doesn't matter how good your video itself is. If the idea of the video is bad, your video is not going to perform. Now I'll show you a quick secret that I'm not really seeing anyone else on YouTube really teach. If you really want to go viral in your niche or any other niche for that matter, take a viral idea from a different niche and use that idea for your next video. That way we're not just guessing what works, we're using what's already working so that getting views will be more predictable. Now instead of just talking about it, let me just show you exactly what that looks like. Now here's a video which you may or may not have seen called The History of the Entire World, I guess. Now we know for an absolute fact that this is a working idea since the video itself has 175 million views. So to use that to your advantage, all you need to do is take the foundation of that idea, the history of XYZ, and use that foundation for your next video. And this little trick will quite literally work for any niche. Now here's a video in the Fortnite niche. Now they only have 3,000 subscribers, but check out this video here that they uploaded just 1 month ago that has over 300,000 views, which goes to show that this works on any channel, even small channels like this one. And all they did was take the foundation of this viral topic here and transfer it to their niche. That's all they did. And that's why this method is so powerful, is because you're not guessing what works, you're leveraging what's already working. And here's another channel that has 1.6 million views using the exact same strategy. In fact, they actually went viral on their very first upload. And the best part about this is if you're the first channel within your niche to use this little trick where you take a viral idea from another channel and bring it into your niche, you'll be setting yourself up to go viral before any of your competitors catch up. But there's one small thing. You can't just transfer an idea from another niche and just expect to go viral automatically. You need to be able to pair that idea with a thumbnail so good that a viewer will feel forced to click on your video. Which brings us to the second part of the framework. And I want you to watch this part closely, because what I'm about to show you is actually very powerful. If you can force someone to click on your video, you pretty much have the power to take over YouTube as CEO. Not literally, although that would be nice. So to get people to click on your video, you just have to do one thing, and that is to create curiosity inside the mind of the viewer. If your thumbnail can plant a question inside the viewer's mind, there's a very good chance they're going to click on your video, because the human brain naturally can't handle unanswered questions. And your job is to make it so that the only way they get their questions answered is to click on your video to find out what that answer is. As a quick example, check out the packaging for this video here. Now, just by taking a very quick glance at it, it poses 3 big questions that makes me want to click on the video so I can get the answers. So the first one for me is, do North Korea actually make fake money? Is the fake money actually being used throughout America? And if this is the best fake, who else is doing it? So what can you take away from this? Well, the next time you upload a thumbnail, ask yourself this. Does it pose at least 3 questions that would make a viewer want to click on your video to find out the answers to? If it doesn't, then just consider changing things around a bit, or even ask a friend. Or better yet, join a community full of other faceless creators and ask for their opinion. And that's exactly what members of my community are doing right here. They post their thumbnail, they ask if other people would click on it, and then they get instant advice on whether they should change a few things or leave things as they are. That way they always know that the thumbnails they're posting are thumbnails that people will actually want to click on when they upload their video to YouTube. So your thumbnail should hint at the answer, but never give it away. Your title should promise an answer, but leave a gap that only your video can fill in. If you get that right, you'll have viewers clicking on your videos non-stop. And that's exactly why this video of mine was able to have such a high click-through rate and make almost $70,000. It was forcing people to click because of the questions it made their viewers ask when they saw the video. Questions like, what actually happens if you plank every day? Do I really need to only plank for 1 minute? And how fast will I see results? So now that you know how to come up with a viral video idea and how to package that idea into a killer title and thumbnail, all we need to do now is make the video so that it's ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Which brings us to the final part of the 3-step framework. And the best part is we can use AI here to drastically speed up the process. And that's the beautiful thing about AI, because with the help of AI, it has never ever been easier to create faceless YouTube channels than right now. So for this part of the framework, I'm just gonna pretend I'm you. I'm gonna run you through everything step by step, starting with a completely new viral video idea just to illustrate my point. So I've already found this channel here, a channel with 8,000 subscribers, only 5 videos uploaded. And 1 month ago, they uploaded this one viral video idea here that has over 500,000 views. Top 10 countries to use as a slide. So let's say you were just getting started with a brand new faceless channel in the gaming niche, for example. Once again, you can do this with any niche. I'm just going to stick with gaming for now, just to prove this point. So this is exactly what I'll do. I'll take the concept of this idea here, but make it about gaming. So now you can just hop onto ChatGPT, and all you'll need to do is paste this in. For the YouTube title, top 10 countries to slide on, how can I transfer the concept of this to the gaming niche? Only replace the word countries with something gaming related. Give me 10 different ideas I could use. And boom, just like that, we have 10 different ideas we can use for our next video. And once again, like I said, if you're the first person to do this in your niche, where you transfer a working idea from another channel into yours, you're most likely going to go viral as long as you do everything correctly. So I like this one here, top 10 weapons to slide on. So now we have the idea, we have the title, now all we need is a thumbnail. Now once again, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel, we're going to use what's already working. Now we're not stealing here, we're going to change things up a little bit. So let's just grab the thumbnail here, and to grab this thumbnail, by the way, you just need to install this extension called vidIQ. It's completely free, and you can just grab the thumbnail and download it just like that. And then we just head to ChatGPT, copy the thumbnail right back into this box here, and then we're going to ask it this. Make me a thumbnail using the same core structures from the thumbnail I've just given you, but make it about top 10 weapons to slide on, and then you can just add some specifics here, whatever you want for your thumbnail. Alright, so I had to adjust the prompt around a little bit here because for some reason ChatGPT just wasn't comfortable with the word weapons. I think it was violating their content policies. Regardless though, I was able to get it to work, and I mean, if we look at this thumbnail here, it's pretty damn close to what we're looking for and pretty much the same sort of quality as to what we pasted in, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So now we've got our title, we've got our thumbnail, now it's time to make the video. And the first thing we need for our video is the script. Now once again, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel and guess what works, we're using what's already working. So if we just go back to our competitors' videos here, we open the description, we go down to the bottom and we click show transcript, we'll get to see their whole script here. Now all we need to do is toggle the timestamps off, copy their whole script, and then just get ready to paste that into ChatGPT. Now before we do anything with this script, we head back to ChatGPT and we paste in this prompt here. I'm about to paste in a full YouTube script from a different video. I want you to analyze its structure, style, pacing, and tone, and then write me a brand new script based on my new title and thumbnail concept. New title, top 10 weapons to slide on. Use the exact same formatting, segment style, and energy from the original script I'm about to paste. Keep the humor, transitions, and storytelling elements aligned with the original tone, but apply it to the new concept. Here's their script. And then we just go down here, we grab their script here, we paste it in, and then we wait. Now we just let ChatGPT do its thing, and with just a few minutes, we have a killer thumbnail, a killer title, and a killer script ready to go for our new viral YouTube video. And now we just need a voice to bring our script to life. So to do this, we just head over to 11 Labs, we hit text to speech, and we grab our script that ChatGPT has just written for us, copy this, cool. Copy the script, paste it into 11 Labs, and then we're just going to choose your voice here, whichever one you want to choose. We can go to all, choose any voice that you think best suits your video. Just go by the tone and same sort of style as what this other channel was using, or just choose whichever one you think best fits your video. Choose your voice, head back here, click generate speech, wait for it to generate the whole speech, and then once that's done, we're going to click this button here. We're going to click this button here, download. All right, so 11 Labs has finished generating the speech, and now we just click download, and suddenly we have a full voiceover ready to go for our next video. And now that we have the title, thumbnail, script, and voiceover ready to go, all we have to do now is glue everything together and make the video itself. Now we pretty much have two options here. Option one, paste your script back into ChatGPT and ask it to create background footage for your video line by line, just like we did with the thumbnail. And then just edit those images into a video yourself using a free video editing tool like CapCut or Canva. Or my preferred method, you can just hire someone for cheap to do it all for you. You can find video editing freelancers from Fiverr, Upwork, or even YouTube jobs. Now, for a video like this, I wouldn't spend more than $20 to $30 per 5 minutes of footage. But if you want to spend more just to upgrade your quality a little bit, that's totally up to you. Because if you do everything properly, you can very well spend $30 to $40 on a video just like this one, have a chance for it to go viral and make you thousands and thousands of dollars just like this one here. I think I spent $45 to make this video here and it made me back $69,000. Now, if you're actually serious about starting your own faceless channel, and I assume if you're watching up to this point of the video, you might be a little bit more serious than most other people, and you're ready to get started and you want my help personally doing this with you, then you should check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment. This will take you directly to my school community, and this is where I literally just give everything away. Every single tool, resource, and piece of information you need to start and scale a YouTube automation channel of your own. So here's my school community. I'll just take you through it real quick. First, you have my step-by-step course, which will take you through everything you need to know from starting your channel to making money with your first few videos. A to Z, everything you need to know. And this course is for those that are complete beginners, but also for those that already have a channel up and running, but they're looking to take their channel to that next level. There are over 70 videos revealing everything you need to know. I hold nothing back, and I keep them short and sweet because for me personally, I can't stand sitting there for 30 minutes watching a single lesson just to get that one golden nugget. In these lessons, you get only the good stuff without all the fluff. And this isn't just like any other course that you go through and just forget about. I'm constantly updating this course so that you always have the latest information. This way you'll always be in the know of the newest tactics, tips, or tricks, or whatever it takes to grow your faceless YouTube channel. And if we head back here, you also get my competitor advantage system. And this will show you how to separate yourself from your competition, from your competitors' channels, and outperform them every single time. And this here is the secret that's going to position your channel that, if done correctly, your videos will always be shown more than your competition on the homepage. And over here we have a list of niches and RPMs that I personally recommend getting into, as well as over 500 channel examples as proof of other faceless channels right now on YouTube making anywhere between $1,000 up to $100,000 a month. So you can just use one of these channels as inspiration when it comes to building your own. But most importantly, we have the weekly Q&As. Here you can just join a call using a link, talk directly to me and ask me whatever you want. This isn't just a call where I sit and talk and everyone listens. I hate those kind of calls. This is an open conversation for everyone to get information from, to get answers to their questions and to get solutions to their problems. Just unmute your mic or type your question in chat and ask me whatever you like. So yeah guys, if you're interested, come and check it out and say hi to me on the next Q&A call. Oh, and let me just quickly take you through a few wins. So over here we have Carter, who posted just 4 days ago, started posting last year, September 2024, and got monetized thanks to the course and from my help. And now, after starting just a few months ago in September, he's now averaging $14,000 every single month with his faceless channel. And the best part is he was able to quit his job in December of 2024, just 3 months after he started his faceless channel. And that's insane to me. This guy progressed way faster than I did when I first started back in 2017. So Carter started his channel. 3 months later, he was able to quit his job for the money he was making from his channel. And right now he's making, or he's averaging $14,000 every single month. Still blows my mind, which just goes to show that today with the right strategy and the right execution, you can achieve this in just a few months now. And I truly mean this when I say this, guys. Even though I started 8 years ago, if you're here watching this video now, you're still in early. And we also have Eric here, who made $13,000 and $12,000 in just 2 months. And we have Gabriel here, who started making $400 a day with his brand new channel after just getting started with it 3 months earlier. And then there's Melvin, who started a new channel 50 days earlier and is now making $100 a day, which is $3,000 every single month after just starting their channel 50 days earlier. So yeah, this business is real and these results are real. So if you're looking to join, like I said, check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Come and join some other like-minded people who are currently crushing it with their channels. Go and see their results for yourself. And yeah, like if you decide to join, I will see you on the inside. All right, it's way past my bedtime for now. I will see you in the community or in the next video.